Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the People's National Party PNP is this evening standing firm in support of its General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell amid serious allegations made against him by party member Karen Cross. The party has also rejected calls for Dr. Campbell to resign. Prince Moore reports.
In a media release this afternoon, the PNP said the allegations against Dr. Campbell failed to meet any reasonable standard of credibility that would make it proper for him to step back from his office. The PNP General Secretary has filed a lawsuit against Ms. Cross and others for defamation, having publicly denied the allegations. Ms. Cross has filed a set of documents in her defense, which recently became public. Included were 3 statements purportedly signed by a justice of the peace. The party says it's urging the police to investigate fully the circumstances behind the 3 documents, including the accuser and the justice of the peace for failing to report the matter to the police. And the PNP says Ms. Cross is before its disciplinary committee to determine whether she must be held accountable for wrongfully bringing the party into disrepute. It added in the statement that it cannot be right that individuals who are self-avowedly pursuing a political agenda can be allowed to achieve their objectives simply by making vile and unsupported accusations against senior office holders. It says that would be a rogue's charter. In the end, the party says it stands firm in support of its General Secretary as it awaits the outcome of the police investigation in relation to the 3 documents. Prince Moore, TVJ News.